So, how to teleport? You want to do something like teleporting sign, or like you disappeared, you hit somewhere and you disappear. So quickly, how to do this particular one now is, you take a video of yourself. Look at the video of yourself. This is a video of me. I ran and I went and hit the wall. You see the video I took? I hit the wall. After that, you shift. The second video you are going to take, or it can still be the same video. After hitting yourself, you shift to one side, just like I did. Then you take a video of that empty space. The video, the camera or the phone should be stagnant, should be the same place, because it's going to be the same thing. Place it on a tripod, or you place it on top of somewhere. Let it continue like that. Take a video where you hit the wall or anywhere. Take another video of the empty wall. After that, you bring these two clips to Capcut. This is the first video and this is the second one. So just that. So just watch the video. Just immediately you are about to jump up to hit the wall. So just as you are up, this is where you are going to split and remove the remaining, what is in between. When you remove it, you see that already the transition is like you disappeared into the wall. Watch this video now. You see? So after that, you are going to bring in the teleport effect you download from YouTube. Let me show you how you download the teleport effect. Let me show you how you can download it now. So for you to download effects, it's easy. You can go to YouTube. Let's open our YouTube. You come to YouTube, then you search for any effect. Now let me search for teleport effects. Just type of teleport green screen effects. You already see teleport green screen effect. You open it. Many of them will come out, but we'll be working with this first one, this green screen teleport effects. You see the first one. When you play, there are many effects. This is another one. See this one. So there are many effects. If you cannot download, you have to start, as it's playing, you start screen recording it. I'm screen recording now. Once you see the effect, as it's playing, you'll be screen recording it. So this is me screen recording this thing that is playing now. Welcome back to the editing. I already have an effect of most of these things I have downloaded from YouTube, but I just have to show you how you can download your effects. You go to YouTube. If you cannot download it, you screen record. Go to YouTube, start playing the effect that you want to use. As it is playing, you screen record. After screen recording it, it is done. Now I will bring the overlay of this one that I just screen recorded. So this is the one I see. It's showing almost every part of my phone, the whole front. But I'll look at the side I want to use. All these things are teleport effects. You can see them in YouTube. So let me choose the one I want to use. This is the one I want to use. So what I have to do is I'm going to be split and remove the side that I don't need. I also pass the side that I need, and I also split and remove. So we are left with this. So what am I going to do? I am going to edit, transform, edit. You transform, you crop it. I crop the side that I need. This is just what I need. This particular screen that is playing. This is what I need. So now that I've gotten it, you have to place it in between the two of them. See what I need? So you know how you are going to remove the background, the green screen. You come to remove BG, remove cutout or remove BG. The new update is remove BG. The former one is cutout. So you remove BG, click on chroma key. The color picker will appear. You touch the green screen and you click on intensity. Drag the intensity to 100 and you have the green screen removed. So we have left with this. So what are we going to do? You can use your hand and zoom it to cover yourself. So when you now make this appearance, look at what happened. You run. You see it? So this is just teleporting effect. You adjust it the way you want. Like you run. Once you go up, you see, and that space will be left empty. So this is your video. So this is how to do this teleport effect. So after that, you can add the sound to spice up your video. You know how to add sound. People keep asking how do you add sound. Capcut has many sounds. Oh yeah, you go to audio, click on audio, click on sounds. Okay, let's search for one sound now. You search for up here in this search bar. Disappearing sound. Disappearing sound. You see disappearing sound? Click on search. And there are many sounds that you can look at this one. Yo. Same thing. There are many of them. So I can click on this first one. Just search for sounds and you put it and you position it just the way, the place you want. You can long press on it and drag the sound to anywhere you want. So this is it. When I now play this music, it will give me this kind of listen. You see it? So after that, you export your video and you are done. And you have this type of effects.